Hi, it's Jocelyn, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. I'm here to give you your real estate minute. We're going to be talking about helping sellers get their home ready for the spring market and what's going on in the northern New Jersey real estate market. So let's get right to it. So today I am going to give you a spring cleaning checklist for sellers. If you are thinking about getting your home on the market this spring, you're going to want to listen to this checklist, and it's going to be so helpful to make sure your home shines when it's ready to come on the market. So the first thing you want to do is make it inviting. A couple of things that you can do here is open up blinds, curtains, really lighten up the space, change any light bulbs that might be missing. Get rid of anything personal like photos or anything that is really relevant to you and your family to really make it inviting for the new buyer. Fix anything that maybe has been broken for a long time and really have purpose for each room to really make the buyer say, wow, this is a perfect yoga studio or a perfect office space, so you really have purpose. The second tip I have for you is show that it's cared for. You can do a couple of things around your home, such as cleaning the vents and the baseboards, mopping, sweeping the floors, decluttering, again, any personal items or even closets, cabinets, things like that. Organize your stuff and get the scuffs out of the walls by cleaning them or doing some touch-up paint. The third tip for your checklist for getting your house on the market this spring is boost your curb appeal. So power wash your home, clean those windows, spruce up your landscaping, make sure it's nice and broom swept clean, adding mulch or stone, some flowers. Also, cleaning up your entryway, because that is the first thing that somebody's going to see when they walk into your home. And also make sure that your patios, decks, and walkways are all clean and looking beautiful. So those are my spring cleaning tips. Checklist if you are looking to sell your home, but there might be a couple items that your specific home may need, so you want to make sure you get a real estate professional in there to go over that with you. So for the northern New Jersey market this week, we had 124 new homes came on the market, 112 homes went under contract, and 81 homes sold this week. We hope that this information is helpful. Share it with a friend and make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'll talk to you soon, and remember, who you work with matters. Have a great day. Did you enjoy this video? Well, if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, share it with a friend, and click this link right here. That'll take you to a playlist with a bunch of more informational videos for you and your family. We'll talk to you soon.